Remedies presents
The miracle fruit they don't want you to know about. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and back again today to tell you about the miracle fruit today. That has been mentioned in the Holy Quran and Bible as well. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video as I will tell you an amazing recipe to make from dried figs. So let's start. Fig tree is one of the oldest cultivated plants. To various cultures, the fig represents prosperity, fertility and peace. The fig is believed to be the native to Western Asia and then it was spread by man throughout the Mediterranean. In 1520, Spaniards brought figs to America where they were planted by Spanish missionary priests and were named as California mission figs. Figs and fig trees are mentioned numerous times in the Bible. The Jewish king Hezekiah was cured of a life-threatening plague by applying figs to the infected spot. Plato wrote that Greek athletes at Olympia were fed diets of figs in order to improve their overall strength and performance. Due to the high value of figs, the Greeks even prohibited its export. Fig trees are extraordinary. Under favorable conditions, one tree can provide fruit for up to 200 years. Ancient physicians used to prescribe figs to people with malaria, measles, fever, tumors, boils, sores, even leprosy and syphilis. Even thousands of years ago, figs were known to have both medicinal and nutritional properties. Galen, an 11th century herbalist, wrote, "If dried figs were eaten with walnuts and rue before taking a fatal poison, they would preserve against its noxious effects." The fig is a powerhouse of various nutrients. Fresh figs are simply unique. They contain proteins, cellulose, pectin substances, organic acids, vitamins A, C, B1, B3, PP. Also, figs are rich in sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Iron and phosphorus are needed to strengthen the immune system, to maintain the work of the heart muscle and health improvement. Fig leaves are a good source of polyphenols and flavonoids, including gallic acid, chlorogenic acid, syringic acid, catechin, apicatechin, and rutin. Soraline and essential oils extracted from the leaves have fungicidal and bactericidal action. Most importantly, fig leaves possess anti-diabetic properties. Amazing health and beauty benefits of figs. Study shows figs treated cancer. The use of fig fruit as a traditional carcinostatic drug is widespread all over the world. Figs are known to prevent oxidative DNA damage. According to a study conducted in Japan, the active agent in figs, called benzaldehyde, killed a malignant tumor by 39% in just 11 days. Dried figs in olive oil. A very little known yet effective use of dried figs is in olive oil. The two nutrients are quite powerful on their own. However, when mixed together, a miracle remedy is born. Quran swears by the fig and the olive. As we respect all religions equally, it is hard to deny this statement made by a holy book. This home remedy can cure numerous illnesses, from anemia to kidney stones. But I will discuss only a few here as the video will be too large. Treat infertility. This remedy can be used to treat infertility as it increases fertility in both women and men side when consumed regularly by both. Figs contain a lot of iron which are important for healthy eggs and ovulation. Eliminate digestive issues. Say goodbye to irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. One dried fig in olive oil every morning will eliminate, as this cure is loaded with fiber and antioxidants. Waiting for 2 hours after consuming figs will do the trick. Remember to drink plenty of water in the morning. Rejuvenate your skin. The properties in figs that prevent cancer also prevent aging of the skin. Moreover, high vitamin C content in figs and vitamin E in olive oil will make your skin radiant. When applied on skin, figs can externally benefit your beauty as well. The benefits of figs is not limited to this. Consuming figs helps with blood sugar, blood pressure, weight loss, anemia, helps with digestion and promote strong bones. Now the recipe. Dried figs in olive oil preparation. Ingredients: 40 dried figs, a clean mason jar, olive oil. Method: place the figs in the jar and pour extra virgin olive oil over it so the figs are covered with it. Close the lid. It is best if the figs are soaked in olive oil for 40 days before it can be used as a treatment. Although this method can be tried, a more modern interpretation of this method would be letting the figs soak for 2 to 3 days. Eat one fig before each meal to relieve your condition. How to choose figs? There are benefits to both fresh and dried figs. When choosing figs, however, always avoid ones with mold or discolorations. Ripe figs are best as they have higher antioxidant content. Fresh figs are typically available from June through October. How to store figs? You can store ripe figs in your refrigerator. They will last up to 3 days. Make sure you wash them thoroughly before eating. As you can see, the consumption of figs is simply priceless. A few, around 4 to 5 figs a day, can go a long way to keeping you away from many deadly diseases. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.